I guess I'm sick. So maybe I'm not actually sick. I just needed a shower and a cup of coffee. So when you're coughing and sneezing like that and feeling overall miserable, it's tempting to go to the doctor and ask for antibiotics, because antibiotics solve everything, right? But the point is, they don't, and they might just make it worse. To find out why this is, we have to look at what makes us sick. And most of the times, it's either viruses or bacteria that make us sick. But whether we get sick from one or the other, that is quite a big difference. So now let's look at the two. So bacteria are single-cell organisms. They can survive on their own in all kinds of different places. Whether this is in our food, in the soil, in our bodies, deep under the ocean, or near volcanic vents. There's also a ton of good bacteria. These live in our intestines and help us digest our food. They're crucial for us. Viruses, on the other hand, are actually not even alive. They cannot survive on their own. So they are this bunch of genetic material, so either RNA or DNA, depending on the type of virus, in a capsule. And to multiply, it needs to find a host cell, infect that cell, and let the host make copies. So they don't have any metabolic processes of themselves, and they can't divide on themselves, or they can divide on themselves. There's a ton of different diseases that are caused by viruses, which can range from the common cold to Ebola. To see why it doesn't make sense to get antibiotics for a viral infection, we have to look at what antibiotics do. So antibiotics either damage the cellular structure or interfere with the cellular processes of bacteria. Viruses, on the other hand, don't even have cellular processes to interfere with because they're not alive. So giving antibiotics when you have a viral infection does absolutely nothing. And it might even make things worse because bacteria can become resistant to antibiotics. So what can you do when you have a viral infection? The answer is pretty much nothing. The only medicine you can take is medicine to help relieve the symptoms. So if you're sick and you're going to the doctor, don't get mad at them if they're not giving you antibiotics. Maybe you don't need it. If you'd like to know more on how antibiotics work or different kinds of bacteria and viruses, let me know in the comments and I'll make a video about it. Stay safe, enjoy your coffee, and see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe because that will let me know that you're interested in my videos and I can make more. Okay, bye.